beauties, as 2024 comes to a close, it's a perfect time to reflect upon the past year. And here at Perez and the Aroma Shop, it's been a particularly exciting past half year, as we have had the privilege of doing makeovers to dozens of women. Most of them are over the age of 50. These makeovers were especially designed to showcase the versatility of mineral makeup and how effortlessly it can be applied, even for those with health or skin issues.
Oh gosh! Wow!
Working with so many amazing women has inspired me and taught me about what truly enhances natural beauty. As we step into 2025, I wanted to share 3 makeup trends I predict will be hot in the coming year, all based upon what we've learned during these makeovers. Let's start with facial makeup. The era of heavy concealers and full coverage foundations is officially behind us. Women are embracing their natural beauty, and mineral makeup is making a big comeback because it allows the skin to breathe and glow naturally. Mineral concealers, veils and foundations work wonders by reflecting light to create an optical illusion. For example, adding green concealer to a red area tricks the eye into seeing even-toned skin. Yellow concealer also works to brighten brown spots, making them less noticeable. And key here is subtlety. We're not masking everything, we're enhancing what's already there and beautiful. As you can see here, once the concealer is sparingly applied, you can then add just 1 or 2 light layers of mineral foundation, which will even out the complexion. Then add a touch of bronzer or blush, and the result is skin that looks healthy, radiant, and completely natural, like these examples here. Now let's talk eyes. Applying glitter to mature eyes has long been seen as a no-go. But this year we discovered that just a touch of gold glitter applied to the center of the eyelid after creating a soft smoky eye can work wonders. This technique works especially well for women with hooded eyes, something common as we age. The glitter isn't visible when the eyes are open, but it reflects light beautifully, making eye colours pop. We've been working with clients ranging from their 40s to their 80s, and the results have been stunning. As you can see in these clips, each woman radiates confidence and elegance with this look. The gold glitter adds a touch of playfulness while remaining sophisticated and age appropriate. What I love most about this trend is how versatile it is. Whether your eye colour is blue, green or brown, that touch of glitter brings out the unique beauty of your eyes while keeping the look modern and refined. And finally, the third trend. Nude lipstick is making a comeback, but not the pale, washed out nudes of the past. Today's nudes have more depth, with pink and coral undertones that flatter a variety of skin tones. Our velvet coral lipstick has been a go-to in most of our makeovers this year because it works beautifully on both warm and cool complexions. For a 90s inspired look, I personally love pairing the velvet coral with the redwood charm lip pencil. The combination of the pinky coral lipstick and the red-brown liner is timeless, versatile and chic. Here's a look at velvet coral in action on several of our models. Notice how it complements each complexion and brings a soft, natural warmth to their lips. May 2025 bring you health, happiness, and prosperity. And until then, stay beautiful.